There are two primary categories of products in the products window: family and non-family. Family products have a four-square icon, and they include all versions of a given product. Family products were added in KeyServer 7.6 to automate the process of adding new product additions to usage tracking policies. For example, if you place the 2013 through 2019 Adobe Creative Cloud standalone product definitions into a policy for usage tracking, then you have to remember to add the 2020 edition to your policy when it's released before KeyServer will begin tracking usage of that version. If you track usage at the family level, however, the new version will be added to the family product automatically, and your policy will begin tracking usage of the new version without any additional input from you. Non-family products are either standard, meaning that the definition is created and maintained by Sassafras, or manual, meaning that a local KeyServer user created the definition themselves. Sassafras maintains standard definitions for thousands of desktop installed applications on Mac and Windows. Additionally, users can make their own definitions manually for obscure or uncommon desktop apps, URL-based products, and fonts. Usage can be tracked for applications and URL-based products, while font products can be discovered in audits, but usage cannot be tracked. Double-click on any product to open the Product Details window. From here, you can see the list of primary applications, utilities, URLs, or fonts that make up the definition. The discovered status in the Products window represents whether a product has been found on one or more of your client computers. Related do not appear to be on any of your computers, and ignored just means the KeyServer will not show these products in any audit or usage reports, regardless of whether they're installed. Ignored products cannot be listed in a policy or purchase. Web browsers and other free or always running software are ignored by default. And if you ever see a product listed in the audit products report that you just don't care about, you can always set that product to ignored to remove it from all reports. Because product discovery is the result of an algorithm that compares installed programs to known product definitions, it takes some time, in some cases, for KeyServer to complete this matching process. So you can't always get an up-to-the-minute product audit immediately following an import of new product definitions. Sometimes this process only takes a few minutes, but sometimes it can take a bit longer, just depending on the size of the data file KeyServer has to sort through. Like other windows in KeyServer, columns in the Products window can be customized and rearranged. A new column was recently added called Installs, which shows you how many copies of a given product have been discovered on the computers on your network. I recommend adding that column and placing it next to the status column, because it allows you to quickly sort to see the most commonly installed products on your network and whether or not you already have a policy for tracking their usage. Family products don't get an installation count. Icons in the Products window include the product icon itself, which varies slightly depending on whether the definition was imported from our product recognition service or created manually. The status column lets you know whether each product is discovered, related, or ignored, and whether or not it's referenced in a policy or purchase. In the version column, you can see whether a product is Mac, Windows, Linux, web-based, or multi-platform. Web-based products must be created manually, as there are no standard product definitions for web-based products listed in the product recognition service. That's all for this video on the Products window. Thanks for watching.